how you can add an admin on your Messenger group chat. Before I teach you guys how to do that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's start. First, just open up your Messenger. Now after you've opened up your Messenger, go to the group that you want to add an admin on. So after you do that, tap on the group's name, and right there you can go to the chat members. You need to see the chat info and see the chat members. Now after you open it up, make sure that you are an admin yourself first, because if you are not the admin, you cannot add another admin. So make sure that you are an admin, and if you are an admin, just go to this right here, follow along, and go to your members section, and right there just tap on the member you want to make an admin. So tap on it, and right there you will see an option right here to make this person an admin. So tap on make admin and confirm this, and there you go. Now if you go to the admin section, you will see that you have just added an admin. So yeah, that is pretty much it for the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below, and bye bye, take care.